Student, today we see next example. Example number 6. Exercise 1.1. If h of x equal to under root 4 into f of x plus 3 into g of x, given f of 1 equal to 4, g of 3 equal to g of 1 equal to 3, f dash 1 equal to 3, g dash 1 equal to 4, find h dash 1. Given h of x equal to root 4 into f of x plus 3 into g of x, differentiating with respect to x, we have to find h dash 1. That is, h dash x equal to 1 upon 2 root 4 into f of x plus 3 into g of x into derivative of root f of x, that is f of x. What is f of x? Root 4 plus 4 into f of x plus 3 into g of x, that is derivative of 4 into f of x is 4 into f dash x plus 3 into g dash x. Now we have to find h dash 1. Put x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. That is 1 upon 2 into 4 into f of 1 plus 3 into g of 1. That is 4 into f dash 1 plus 3 into g dash 1. That is equal to. See, 2 as it is, 4 as it is. What is f of 1? F of 1 is 4. Plus 3 as it is. What is g of 1? 3. 4 as it is. What is f dash 1? F dash 1 is 3. Plus 3 as it is. What is g dash 1? G dash 1 is 4. That is 3 4s are 12 plus 12, 24 upon 2. 16 plus 9 root 25, that is equal to 5. That is 2.4 is the answer of question number 6. See and write in your notebook. That is example number 6. Example number 6. That is f of x equal to f of x equal to f of x, given f of x equal to and 3 into 3, that is see and write in your notebook. Given thing we have to find. Step first, given h of x equal to 4 into f of x plus 3 into g of x and f of 1, g of 1, f dash 1, g dash 1. F of 1 is different from f dash 1. G dash 1 is different from g of 1. Dash means derivative. Dash means derivative of given function. Now see, example number 7 for homework. Example number 7 for find x coordinate of all points. Find x coordinate of all points on the curve. On the curve y equal to sin 2x minus 2 sin x minus 2 sin x, x 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 pi, where dy by dx equal to 0. dy by dx equal to, where dy by dx equal to 0. That is, points means x, points means value of x. And example number 8 for homework. Find f dash g of 0 and z dash f of minus 1, g dash f of minus 1. If f of x equal to x square plus 5 and g of x equal to e raised to x plus 3. These two examples for homework, that is f dash bracket g of 0. Answer f dash g of 0 equal to and g dash f of minus 1 equal to f dash g of 0, f dash g of 0 equal to 8 and g dash f of minus 1 equal to minus 2 into e raised to 6 is the answer of given question. Question number 7 and 8. Question number 7 and 8. C, that is question number 7 and 8. Hint for this question. First one, we have to find f dash g of 0. f dash g of 0. First we find f bracket g of x, that is f bracket g of x, f bracket g of x equal to f, that is g of x equal to e raised to x plus 3. That is e of x equal to f of e of x whole square, e of x plus 3 whole square plus 5. Now split and find derivative. That is equal to e raised to 2x plus 2 into e raised to x plus 9 plus 5. That is equal to e raised to 2x plus 2 e raised to x plus 14 plus 14. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. That is f dash g of x equal to e raised to 2x into 2 plus 2 into e raised to x plus 0. Now f dash g of 0 equal to e raised to 0 into 2 plus 2 into e raised to 0 plus 0. That is equal to 6 e raised to x. 2 3s are 6 e raised to x. 2 3s are 6. 6 e raised to x. 6 e raised to x. F dash g of 0 equal to 8. 8 is the answer. That is f dash g of 0. F dash g of 0. See over here, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And simplify. That is simplify. That is here f of g of x. F of g of x equal to this one and e raised to 2x plus 6 into e raised to x plus 14. Now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. That is derivative of these two. F dash g of x equal to e raised to 2x. Derivative of e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x into 2. 6 e raised to x derivative 6 e raised to x. 14 derivative 0. See and write in your notebook. That is example number 7. See and write in your notebook. Example number 7 मतलब एट मतलब यह है. That is see over here and write in your assignment book, that is